In this video, I am going to share the detail about the end-to-end workflow which I built to get a detail of the YouTube video, get a script from that video, and create a different social media post. You can see here I created 4 different social media posts: the LinkedIn, Instagram, Facebook, and Threads. So the starting node of the flow is a form input where I can share this form link to the anyone they want to create a post for the social media. In this form, when I hit this execute, it will open a form where I will pass down the YouTube video link and the email address where user want to get confirmations for all the social media posts and hit submit. Once submit the form, it will go to this node that called video transcript. It will get all the transcript of the video. After getting transcript, it will divide in a 4 different sections to create a 4 different social media posts. Now let's see the first flow, that is a LinkedIn social media post. In this we can see the 4 different nodes. The first one is a LinkedIn post builder. This node will take all transcript and create a perfect post for the LinkedIn, which I can directly post on the LinkedIn platform. You can see all the system message and the user message here. After this node, the second node is for check LinkedIn image. So in this node, it will check whole post which is created by the previous node and identify does this post need the image on the platform. If it is yes, then it will respond yes, and if it is no, then it will respond no. So basically output of this node is only yes and no based on the post created by the previous node. Then after next node is check condition, where it will check if it is the previous node gives yes, then it will go and create an image for the particular post. If the post created and it will give no, this node go to the next node directly in the merge node. Same way I added all the 4 posts in the same structure, like first node like for the creating post for the particular platform, second node for check the image, third node for check the conditions, and fourth node to create an image. But all the first node you can see here creating a post here have a different prompt which will create a specific post for a specific platform, not a general post for the whole platform. After completing these all 4 posts, it will go in the merge node, then will merge all the flow and connect with the one flow so that it will work only one time. So I aggregate all the flow and added in the edit field over here. In this edit field I added 8 different variables. The first variable like post, and the other variable for the image data. You can see here I added all the posts in one different variable for the each platform, like a LinkedIn post, LinkedIn image, Facebook post, Facebook image idea. So by this way I will get all the post and their image ID. After creating all the variables for the all different platforms, I added one more node, that is AI agent, that will take all that post and the image idea and create a perfect email which I will pass to the user to check and confirm the post and the image idea. So that you can see here I added a demo example email in which this agent will go and create an email on this format, and at last you can see the publish on LinkedIn like button. So I added all the buttons on the each and every platform so that in the email user can directly click on a button and post that particular post on that particular platform. So for sending the email I added a next node, that is send and wait node for the email. So in this email it will take output of the previous this AI agent and send that email to the user on the email ID which is user added on the form on the first node. Take this email and send the email to the user. Let's see how the email look like. So you can see here I got the email, and in the email the first post is a LinkedIn post. You can see all the structure of the post. there is a hashtags, and it's mentioned there is no image needed for this particular post. Also, I can see the publish on LinkedIn button as well. That button user can click and directly post this particular post on the LinkedIn platform. uh, if it is required image, then it will go and create the image. Same way you can see the Facebook post, and also here you can see the image idea, which is based for the Facebook post. Also give you the ratio as well, and the share on the Facebook button to share the post on the Facebook. Same way on the Instagram, and same way for the threads. I added all the structured post on the email, so user can directly go and post on the specific platform. Also added two more buttons that called decline and approve. So if user click on approve, then in my current flow it will go and create all the four different posts for the all the platform, and post it on the different platform based on the post. And if it is click on decline, then it will go again and create again four different posts, and again send the email for the confirmation to the user. So this is my final workflow, which take a video input and create a four different social media posts. I hosted this whole workflow on my personal Hostinger. If I open the Hostinger and open my account, this is my account where you can see on the VPS my current Hostinger and server. If I click on manage, you can see here all the detail about my personal server. If I open this workflow and on the link where I hosted, you can see here the name is starting with the annotate.garudex.ai. So garudex.ai is my domain and annotate is my subdomain. To check it on the Hostinger, when I click on a terminal where we can see all the detail about domain and subdomain. So here you can see domain name is garudex.ai and subdomain is n. So this is where I hosted my N8N workflow using Hostinger. In this workflow, you can see I added a 5 different AI agent, 4 for the post and 1 for creating image, where I attach a LLM1 chat model for the Gemini. But you can change it and connect to whichever you like OpenAI, Gemini, Anthropic, Open Router, Grok, Olama, whatever you like, you can connect with it. So you just need to go on the chat model and delete the connections, and then drag that chat model connections to whatever your preference and connect it over there. So this is the way you can connect any other chat model to your workflow. Thank you for watching this video.